Thank you for joining me in this video covering the Import tab. It is assumed that you have already watched video 7, Project Setup and Organization, and that you understand the importance of the various settings and troubleshooting tips. If not, please reference that video, as this video is meant to serve as a reminder for those who quickly need to set up their tablet but already have the background understanding of the information. Now let's cover the use of the Import tab. Please turn on your tablet and allow the icon software to load. It is not necessary to turn on your total station for this video. It is assumed that you have already created the project and jobs for your information to be imported to, and that you have already placed the information in the appropriate folders in the Windows File Explorer. If not, please reference videos 8, Project tab, 9, Jobs tab, and 10, Windows File Explorer for further instructions. First, make sure you are in the correct job before importing any information. Click on Jobs found under the Data palette in the lower left corner of your screen. Select the job you wish to import information to. For this video, I will work in level 1 first and then control second. Look at the top middle portion of the home screen to verify which project and job you are currently in. From the Icon Software's home screen, click Import found on the Data palette in the lower left corner of your screen. Click the green plus symbol, click Reference Data. Navigate to the appropriate files by clicking Data found under Data Source, the project folder, and then the correct job folder. Check the settings of the files to be imported by clicking the arrows to the right of the file names. Reference video 7, Project Setup and Organization for further information on file settings. Once the settings are correct, click the green check to import. Click Home, then Jobs. Switch to the next job you wish to import information to and repeat the above mentioned process. For the purposes of this video, I will select the Control job and load it, as there is a slight difference between Control and your other levels. All other jobs will be the same as the above mentioned process. Once in the Control job, click Import, click Reference Data, navigate to the folder, and this time you should only import the DXF. After you check the DXF settings, click the green check and you will be presented with the import screen again. Now click Control Files, navigate to the files, check the settings of the CSV, and click the green check to import. Click the Home button and go to Layout Points to check your map view. You should be presented with your control lines and the control points represented as triangles. This concludes the video covering the Import tab. Please proceed to the following video covering interacting with Icon.